At PowerSafe Automation, we help organizations reduce risk by focusing on how machines are actually used, not just how they're designed on paper. Our services are built to improve safety, support compliance, and create practical solutions that protect people while keeping operations moving. That process often begins with understanding what's already in place. Our guarding assessments provide a practical on-site review of existing machine guarding. We work directly with your maintenance teams and operators to evaluate guards, interlocks, and access points as equipment is used day to day. Together, we identify immediate risk reduction opportunities and recommend realistic upgrades that improve operator safety, maintenance efficiency, and compliance alignment. Once guarding is reviewed, verifying how quickly a machine can actually stop becomes critical. Safety devices only work when they're installed at the correct distance. Our stop time and safety distance verification measures real machine stopping performance, not assumptions. We calculate minimum safe approach distances and confirm compliance with applicable standards, helping protect workers while reducing the risk of bypassed or ineffective safety devices. From there, it's about ensuring every safety system performs as intended. The Machine Safety Validation Service ensures your machine guarding and safety systems are doing what they're intended to do: protect people in real operating conditions. PowerSafe will work alongside your team to review guarding selection, evaluate existing safeguards, and verify that safety devices, controls, and stop time distances meet applicable standards. The result is clear documentation, audit-ready confidence, and a reliable safety foundation to support ongoing risk reduction efforts. Safety planning does not stop with existing equipment. It should start before new machines ever arrive. Our pre-purchase machine guarding assessment helps you make informed buying decisions before equipment reaches your facility. We evaluate new or used machinery for compliance risks, missing safeguards, and potential retrofit costs. This proactive review helps prevent surprises, reduce downtime, and ensure your investment supports safe operation from day one. Safety also extends beyond machines to the people who work with them every day. Our Green Zone Ergonomic Workstation Assessment focuses on routine, high-volume production tasks where ergonomic improvements have the greatest impact. We review work heights, reach zones, posture, tools, and material flow alongside your team. Simple adjustments or modular upgrades often deliver meaningful gains in comfort, efficiency, and quality without complex testing or medical evaluations. For facilities with multiple machines, knowing where to focus first is essential. The Risk Reduction Prioritization Program provides a clear, structured roadmap for improving safety across your facility. We assess machines based on exposure, severity, frequency, and accessibility using real operating conditions, not theoretical assumptions. Each machine is scored, documented, and prioritized, helping you direct your safety budget where it will have the greatest impact over time. Together, these services form a practical, compliance-driven approach to machine safety, designed to reduce risk, support your teams, and build safer workplaces that last.